viruses affect our daily lives in more ways than one can imagine. Other than the ever-present threat of global pandemics, it affects livestock productivity. It is now also believed that a third of all cancers are caused by a relationship with oncogenic viruses. Other viruses can cause organ transplants to have a higher failure rate.
Every species here represents hundreds of millions of years of successful evolution. The horseshoe crab began its existence in the Paleozoic era. It has remained largely unchanged for the last 450 million years. Its defensive cells contain a peptide called tachyplasmin that has potent antiviral and anti-cancer properties. By using our proprietary chimeric peptide technology, we can cut and paste powerful peptide combinations together from all sorts of animal and plant genomes, giving multi-domain characteristics to potentially act as broad-spectrum antiviral and anti-cancer compounds. We can now fix up multi-domain peptide drugs, just like we fixed Lego.
Our peptide drug platform is unique in that it can be orally administered and act in a broad-spectrum effect. They can be easily made using recombinant bacteria and easily refolded into its bioactive state. They can be economically produced without extremely expensive facilities. By using intelligent design based on a bioinformatics approach, we can have a very high hit rate of more than 50%. If we want to, we can make a new antiviral drug every 4 months. These drugs are also very stable and do not require cold chain transportation, unlike vaccines.
Our lead drug, Retromed-1, was originally designed to function against retroviruses by inhibiting entry, fusion, integration, and translation as a multifunctional, multi-domain peptide. After promising anecdotal trials on feline retroviruses, we are Malaysia's first company to be invited to collaborate with the National Institutes of Health to work on retroviruses, especially on HIV-1, using humanized mouse models.
This is Orange. He was diagnosed with FIV in the middle of the year 2009. That time he was in really bad shape, developing ulcers that was bleeding profusely daily. He wasn't responding to the conservative treatment. When we introduced Retromed, we started to see tremendous improvement within 2 weeks. After 3 months, we managed to cure him totally from his condition. I have no doubt it was because of Retromed that was incorporated into his treatment regime. If not for Retromed, he wouldn't be here until now. And today he's a very happy cat, living a normal life.
In multi-center trials amongst vets in Malaysia, Singapore and the Philippines, over 200 cats and dogs have been recruited for testing with orally administered Retromed-1 for a variety of different viruses. We have had promising results for FIV, FELV, FPV, feline rhinotracheitis and feline calicivirus in cats, while in dogs we have had promising results for canine parvovirus too. The drug, however, failed to work only in feline infectious peritonitis.
In pharmacokinetic studies, mice and guinea pig were fed with Retromed-1 by oral gouage. We have shown using an antibody assay called captured ELISA that it enters the blood serum within 30 minutes and peaks at 1 to 2 hours. In mice, it leaves the serum within 12 hours post-feeding. We have shown that the drug is also resistant to digestion by pepsin at pH 2 and trypsin at pH 8 for over 2 hours.
Dengue virus currently is one of the fastest mosquito-borne virus in the world, and for which we currently do not have any therapeutic or vaccine that is available in the market. Retromed-1, as assessed by biovalance, has shown to be effective in killing all 4 serotypes of the virus, including completely eliminating the effect of the viral protease, which is essential for viral replication.
Aquaculture is the fastest growing animal production economy worldwide. The reason for that being is that there is a growing seafood demand worldwide, and in addition to that is that the import or the production from fisheries is declining. The reason for that being is that first of all is that there is still a growing demand for seafood, which on the other hand cannot be filled up with fisheries, which is a declining industry. However, one of the big reasons why aquaculture needs to become sustainable is the reason that it still has a major disease problem. In that respect, NV Aquaculture as a company is very interested in working together with Biovalance in developing antiviral products for aquaculture.
We are developing a peptide drug within our IP class that has high specificity against liver cancer cell. This drug has high therapeutic index based on in vitro cells assay. It rapidly causes FG2 hepatoma cells to undergo lysis at concentration set to normal cells. Due to its low toxicity profile, peptide drugs are promising new cancer therapy.
Retromat 1 has been protected by an international patent application, which has received a full positive examination report, finding all claims patentable. This put the company in a very strong position to obtain patent protection in major jurisdictions.
With our new cGMP recombinant peptide facility about to be completed shortly, we will become a full-fledged drug discovery engine for the biopharma and animal health industries. We are on the lookout for strategic partners globally.
Our team of highly dedicated scientists and researchers are developing new antiviral, anti-cancer, and antibacterial peptide drugs that have high safety features. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at www.biovalance.com.my or write to us at contact.us@biovalance.com.my.